So the WOWGO 2S Max has a solid deck, 8 layers of Canadian maple wood plus bamboo and glass fiber. So it's durable but flexible. On the deck, they replaced the thin and fragile grip tape with a matte texture design using enhanced foam and increased thickness of the grip tape, absorbing vibration, just making your feet so much more comfortable on long rides. It uses the Hobbywing V4.0 ESC remote, so you can use this to accelerate and brake, and you can see your speed, change your direction, and mode, giving you easy control over your board. And this remote control is one of the things that makes me feel a lot more comfortable, so you don't feel like you're out of control, you don't feel like you're going too fast. You literally control it all with your hand, and it's super easy. It has two 550-watt hub motors, and with that power, this skateboard can easily reach 45 kilometers per hour or 28 miles per hour, and can climb hills at 25% to 30%. The battery is a 12S2P 5.0 amp hour and 50.4 volts, giving you exceptional range like 23 kilometers or 14.3 miles. The board weighs 8.2 kilograms or 18 pounds. The wheels are 90 millimeter and 78A hardness, but they also include these cloud wheel alternatives that are 105 millimeters, which will really help with city bumps and rough roads. This would be a great first electric skateboard because it's a stable board, and the 8-inch 50-degree trucks will be perfect for you. And also a soft 85A brushing for flexible steering. This gives you a lot more confidence in riding, especially for beginners. And I like the design too. I think it's a really nice design, and I feel really comfortable riding it.